Hey guys, let's not get lost again in translation today. So, ever heard someone say she's disinterested? Tapos ikaw, you're like, so bored siya? Okay, let's fix that grammar glitch real quick. Yes, disinterested versus uninterested. Ang disinterested po, it means impartial, neutral. Yes, wala siyang kinakampihan, hindi siya chismoso, hindi siya bias, like a fair judge in Miss Universe at iba pang reality competition. Example ka to. She is the best mediator because she is disinterested. Even the other is her BFF, she stayed fair. Ganon. So again guys, use this when you want someone objective or neutral, not emotionally involved. Ano? Ang uninterested naman, it means not having a sense of concern, not excited, bored. Ayan. So, it is like when someone is walang gana, boring siya sa buhay, wala siyang pake, ganun. Example, girl, I was ranting about my toxic fro, but my brother was so uninterested. He keeps on playing ML while talking to me. So, ganun yung eksena. So, use this when someone is not into it, as in, wala talaga siyang care or disengaged siya, ganon. So, next time na you spill the tea and someone looks zoned out, don't say disinterested unless you're in the court, no? So, get it right or else baka ma-judge ka, no? With bias pa. Anyway, disinterested or uninterested, masakit talaga pag unfair ang treatment na matatanggap natin. Like, masaya siya sa iba, sa'yo hindi. Ganon. Char. So, till next time, guys. Love, love.